Right now, your mind is making decisions you don't know about.
You think you're in control. The research says otherwise.
Kahneman, Nisbett, Kolk, decades of peer-reviewed science confirm the same uncomfortable truth. But the same science also proves the mind can learn to watch itself, to govern itself, to become genuinely its own.
One complete architecture. 3 tiers. The blueprint of the governed mind.
This is not self-help, this is not hacks or habits, this is one thing, knowing your own mind. Honestly, finally. 8 volumes. A complete journey, from the first blind spot to the last conscious choice. Over 200 peer-reviewed sources, Flavel, Kahneman, Frankl, Kolk, Riff. The science is real, the framework is complete. The examined life is not a philosophical ideal, it is a cognitive achievement, and this series shows you exactly how to build it.